Hello friends, in this video, I intend to teach you how to register with the Forexee Broker. You go to the Forex Broker section, select Forex.EE, and then click on the register button on the website. After that, you'll be on the Forex.EE website. In this section, you can register for either a live or demo account. We will choose the live account. In the registration section, enter your email address, and if you want generated passwords, you can check this box. And in the password section, I recommend using uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. To confirm your password, you repeat it again. In the next section, you enter your mobile phone number and then the desired code and click on register. Then your account information will be shown to you, and you should save this information and click on login. Your account has been created, but keep in mind that to fully verify your account, you need to upload documents like your work ID, passport, and so on. Good luck!